What's going on, E-World? Good morning, good afternoon time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. Today, we have something a little different going on here. As you can see, they're calling for rain. Very bad storm, and already the storm clouds are rolling in. Anyway, that's my son's bike there, and actually that bike is broke. So, he broke the pedal. It's stripped it out. So put some JB Weld on it. But anyway, he's got a new bike, and this bike here is one of his friend's bikes. So the other day I was working on Frank, and Frank and Fred are under the cover, and him and a couple of his little buddies came around. They were all on bikes, but one little boy, this is his bike, and he said, "Sir, do you think you could fix my bike?" And I looked at it. As you're doing now. And wow. I remember those young days riding bikes and sliding every time you come to a stop where your tires get bald and you slide so much you get all the way down to the inner lining of the tire, and your tube pops out the tire. Then your tube pops out the tire like that and shreds all the pieces. But anyway, so this little guy's bike is broke, mangled like that. And in talking to my son, I found out that this little guy, he lives with just his mom and his sister. And obviously his mom and his sister don't know too much about bikes. So I went out to the store the other day, and hold on. Okay, so I went to the store the other day, and I picked up a tire and an inner tube, and I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to fix this kid's bike. And just because I know what that feels like. Anyway, I don't have to do a whole video on fixing this kid's bike, because you guys don't need to see that. But that's what I'm going to do. Deuces. I'm out.